Hi folks and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer option, USB debugging and OEM unlock on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet. Open Settings menu, scroll down and tap on About Tablet. Now tap on Software Information. Tap 7 times on Build Number to enable developer options. Now open Developer Options and you will find OEM Unlock and USB Debugging. To enable them, just toggle the switch to on. On my channel you will find more tutorials about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, how to hard reset, or how to use multiple windows. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.